Enjoy these funniest animal moments. Share with a friend.
¡Qué frío!
Hey, I'm sorry for slapping you for no reason. Can we shake paws and forget about it?
Something wrong with you.
I know. My doctor said I got cat eyes. When I see a cat, I just want to slap it. But I'm trying to change. Shake my hand.
That's all right. You crinkled up two of my whiskers when you slapped me.
I'm extending an olive branch.
Back up. You within slap me distance. Your paws pack a punch. You ain't hit me.
Tick, tick, tick.